3 decades back, I promoted technology. At that time, nobody used to promote technology as a politician. One example I am giving you, I wanted to meet Bill Gates. He visited Delhi. I seek his appointment. Politely refused. I asked this reason, why you are not meeting? He said, I don't have any work with politicians. I said, no, I am having some work with you. I want to meet you. Give me 10 minutes. With great difficulty, he gave me 10 minutes. All the way I went to Delhi. I prepared very well. Then I spent with him 45 minutes. I gave my presentation. In my presentation, I gave the strength of India and Indians on information technology. He said at the end of the meeting, yes, you are right. I totally believe. What can I do? Don't do anything for me. If at all you are coming from Seattle outside, come to Hyderabad, then I will give you excellent land you can promote. After that, 3-4 meetings, he started first development center in Hyderabad after Seattle. That is the biggest campus today. Fortunately, the employee of Hyderabad Microsoft Center, Nadella Satya, has become president of that company. One step forward, leapfrog developments will happen. So I wanted to, now today, the power of technology. I started at that time, iTech City, synonymous with IT, and promotion of IT. Today, I am promoting Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is the beauty of today's technology penetration. All of us are talking about technology. Now data is available, historical data. Global knowledge is available. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing is a reality. Real-time data can be collected through satellite, drones, IoTs, wearables, sensors, CCTV cameras. Then decision making will be taken real-time, decision will be communicated real-time across the cross sections. One example I am giving you in government. Now, we are providing 703 services. As on today, 500 services we are providing online. By August 15th of this year, all services will be provided online through WhatsApp governance. Nobody, no need to come to any. Even all investors, I am telling you, you need not come to office. You need not go to any office, any officer. Automatically, they have to clear. That is the system we are building. Now people are saying, with all these things, we will lose jobs. Now how to create jobs? Only the way tourism is only the sector where we can create excellent jobs. If you see here, 1 lakh if you invest, around 8 jobs we can create. Investment versus 2 jobs, tourism is the best sector. It is better than IT, industry, agriculture, even other service sectors also. This is the best. Globally, every 10 jobs, one is from tourism. We had an ambitious plan, 2.4 trillion US economy. We wanted to US dollars, we wanted to achieve by 2047. In this, we are expecting tourism to grow at the rate of 20% from now onwards. My minister also is having doubt if now Patanjali success story you have to hear. Now, Baba Ramdev ji is our advisor on tourism. If we start wellness centers and all hotels in Andhra Pradesh, wellness centers, especially yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, and also best meditation if you practice. Natural food. We are very happy, Babaji, Guruji. We are number one in natural farming in the world. Already we are going for certification and also how to identify, that is identification also. Both we are doing. So I am assuring you, world is watching us. This is a new project is going on. With natural food and your yoga and meditation, that will be the game changer. All other prayers, we are all here. You will have a exciting timing. So many people have given Andhra Pradesh benefits also, so many places. Tirupati is one example. Richest God in the world.